Thank you na nikore
UDA ni okana riri UDA ni okana na
bottoms up
economy
before tukinye UDA ri you know it's a chronology ogwa hena atiriri gibaki ni atuikirie mbeca muko-ini nake our elder brother muthuri tutete
also a good friend of mine
yes. Uhuru Kenyatta nake okari atunyire andu mbeca muko-ini agithie development wise. It is a different system of governance. What Uhuru did, what Kibaki did was give the people not necessarily money, but give them resources, empower them from their pockets. Uhuru Kenyatta, on a different note, when Uhuru immediately entered, na kathire kare gatigetwo by then ni muthuri ugwetwo Moi wa Kibaki was roughly about 2 trillion. Uhuru 2-3 trillion they are created.
Ne billions 2 trillion ne de turakinyire
asa nakura tiriri ne yakinyite unless you have a different scope
200 billion around there
asa it was actually
budget ya
2-3 trillion nakura tiriri Kibaki niguo eke infrastructure ino niguo China yokeri ona farafara ino yanyu ya expressway. Let us not be lenient with Kibaki left a small percentage of debt. It was around 3 trillion. No, Uhuru did 3 times that. But what we lacked in this country was something called socio-economical empowerment, which Kibaki majored on. Kibaki was silent. Uhuru was more of a reactive president. Ati niguo kati andu ni marurungana ni marehe thina uyu akageria kuona measures cia gukab, and that is what has brought our country down on a ginya umuthi uyu ona tukiugoro wa subsidies and all that they were very expensive for this country, plus or minus.
But my line of thought was
yes,
Kibaki nioka akora bururi muri yange mutabure miaka 24
no ahota guthaka
as it is ahota ko sokia bururi yuri then
na gutiga bena mbeca mugo
agikorwo Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto na kenyoka akora bururi mutheri alarega gukorwo we ni arahota kuoya.
Now let us also be very practical. I always tell people ditetagira thirikari tondu necessarily I benefit from it. Actually andu aya mekite atiriri